guys that go to the cheese factory, did you like it?
Yes.
Great to hear. I don't like it. I'm speaking the truth. I can also lie. But if I lie, I'm just going to say I don't like it. Because guys, back in the day, I used to work in the cheese factory, but they fired me because I was too funny. See guys, we didn't even start and you're laughing. Yes, thank you. If you can move a little bit, maybe someone else could want to sit down, you can sit down. Alright. I think that's great. Guys, if you are too short and you can't see it, you can come to the front so we can laugh at you. I swear. Alright guys, yes, I see some people coming. Alright. Hope everyone can see it. If you can't see it, raise your hand so I can laugh. Come. You can come here if you want. Yes. Alright, so welcome everyone. How are you doing? I only hear 3 people and the rest is dead. So we will try again. How are you doing everyone? It's much better. So, welcome everyone. My name is Gabriel and I'm going to tell you today how we make our beautiful and amazing what? Clog! You seem very excited guys. So, we are going to start with a beautiful block of food. You saw me cut it. It was really easy because of 2 reasons. Now the first reason is we use a special type of wood, not that special, but we use poplar wood. Poplar wood is a type of wood that's very light and it absorbs water really quickly. For the second reason is we soak our wood. We soak our wood for around 4 to 5 days because that's easy for us to cut as you saw and it's easy for the machines. If I don't soak the wood can split. I can't make the shoes. You'll be sad just like now and then I have to cry. Beside the block of wood we have our beautiful steam engine. The steam engine is from Germany from 1913. It's really special because this is the last steam engine in the whole world who is used and used till today to make our beautiful blocks. So if we go to Germany, you can't find one because of course we stole it! Yes. We're really proud about that part. Beside the steam engine we have these 2 machines. These 2 machines are from France from 1906. So they're even older than the steam engine. And if you heard it right, nothing is from the Netherlands. Don't be jealous after this, we steal your house too, guys. This machine is for the outside and this machine is for the inside of the shoe. We're going to start with this machine. We put the block of wood that we just cut in the middle, just like this. Beautiful. Alright, so how it works is really easy. You can see this machine as an old big copy machine. It will copy the mold exactly the same, only for one thing. You see, the mold is a right shoe mold, so for your right foot. But the machine will make a left shoe for your left foot. Why? Because it will spin the opposite way, just like a mirror reflection. You will see in a second by yourself. But first of all, how does the machine get its power? It's from the steam engine. You see, the steam engine is now running and gives power to everything. It's now at half power, maybe less, but when I turn it on full power and I pull the handle, the blade will spin really fast. From this side, it will follow the mold and then the process will begin. Alright, I'm going to turn it on full power. It will make a lot of noise. That's why I'm going to cover my ears. I don't care about your ears. Here we go. Alright. Always works. And after a minute or two, the beautiful outside of the shoe! I feel like you're not that fun, guys. So the outside of the shoe is actually not ready yet, but we need to move on to the next part, and that's of course the inside of the shoe. That's this machine. Same process. We put the outside of the shoe in the middle, just like this. Beautiful. We squeeze it and we secure it. With this process, I use my hands more. You see, this handle is connected to both handles at the same time. The left handle will go inside of the mold. It will copy the shape of the mold because the right handle follows it and cut at the same time. So, if I go left, right, up and down, it will follow it exactly the same. With this handle, I can go up and down, and with this handle, I can adjust it the way I want it. And I want it low because I'm going to start with the heel and then go upwards. Alright, here we go again. Here we go. Pretend like you won the $1 billion lottery. You will never win it. If you win it, you can always share it with me.
Okay.
You say now, okay. When you win it, you will never see me again. And after a minute, the beautiful inside of the shoe! You guys are fake as hell. So, as I said a minute ago, the outside was not ready yet. Because if you can see, it's still flat from the front.
Yeah.
And still flat from the back.
Yeah.
So we need to cut it. For the front, I will cut it in a curvy way to have a beautiful point. I don't want to make it too pointy, of course. Otherwise, if I kick someone's ass, it will hurt too much. The first time I heard the joke, I laughed. But the same day, I could not go to the toilet for a few hours. After this, I will laugh. The front of the shoe. Wow! I'm really proud of myself. And now for the back, of course. So for the ladies, you can use the shoe on your husband. Why don't you laugh right now? Oh my God, I broke the shoe. I will make it now a slipper. So, I swear to God, one time only use, he will listen the next time without arguing. And I can guarantee you on that part. For the men, if you want to protect yourself, give her some flowers and some chocolate. She'll be happy for 10 minutes and then angry the whole day. Alright, and after a minute, the beautiful behind of the shoe. It's really beautiful. Guys, wait a second. Maybe it's not perfect, but you are not perfect too. So, the shoe is almost ready, but as you know, it's still soaking wet. So for the next step, of course, we need to dry it. If you look above your head, we are drying our shoes. We need to dry them just like this for at least 2 weeks, and then they are ready. We can sand them, paint them, and of course we can't forget, we can throw it at your husband's head. In a few seconds, you can go inside of the store and try the shoes out by yourself. Please don't forget to try them out, and please remember, always a finger behind the heel, a little bit of space. We advise a finger, your finger of course, not my fingers. Otherwise it's too tight, you can get a lot of feet pain, and then you can get a headache. You come to me and you give me a headache, and you already gave me one. Thank you very much for your attention, guys. You can go this way. Thank you.